Hey, Bobby Marley, sing something good to me. This world gone crazy. It's an emergency. Hey, Bobby Marley, sing something good to me.
Good day, people. Back again with a lentil soup, Ital soup if you like. I already done got all my stuff chopped up, already prepared. So let's go. Let's go. Just add in a bit of potato, carrots, garlic, all my sweet peppers. I'll leave it there just to saute. And then I'm going to add my peas to it. You'll see as they come together. This is no meat. This contains no meat at all. Well, I don't eat meat anyway. A bit of cumin powder inside of this. Getting it there to just simmer down for a bit. Like I said, a bit of grilled spice all the way from Turkey. A bit of pimento crushed finely. When you have the potato, the carrots, all the seasoning and everything sauteed together, come together like a bind, like a type of go, like you kind of bun down a bit low. But that's how I do it. Remember, this is vegan, no meat at all. What I normally do, I take my peas, which I cooked, still gonna boil it down some more, need to get salt, add it together with this, This look like it's about ready now. I did add a bit of Scotch bonnet. Yes, I did add a bit of Scotch bonnet. For those who like Scotch bonnet, add it. Now I'm going to take it out.
Leave it on the side. This is where soup's supposed to look like. I did add a bit of water, not making it dry too much. All the flavors in there. Wow.
Depends on what you got. This is what I got. I use this. I take my soup from here. I put it in there because I still have the trunks of this. Purify it a bit. Put it back in a pot. Boil it down. Putting the food to the food processor now. Just putting it in the food processor. You can cool this down if you like. The lentil soup out the food processor. Put it in a pot, boil it for a little bit, turn it off. Depends on how you like it. You add a bit of water if you want it more smoother. If you like it thick, you leave it the way you like it.